I found myself looking forward to my next loss as well as my next win. And now I'm at a point where win or lose, it doesn't faze me. So I think we're getting somewhere.
I have to ask something. Maybe somebody is prepared to hear this. Anybody ever consider maybe we redefine what winning and losing is? Because I think that would be super helpful. What if we redefine what winning and losing actually means? Losing a trade does not mean losing. Variance in a system does not mean losing. Miscoding or the ATM or your EA, whatever, does not mean losing. My GA, I lost $78 on that trade, although the trade was accurate and the management was great. It was that middle management that kicked my butt. But that was not losing. Like, that account is still up this month. What if we redefine losing? So something that Ed Milet has gotten really good at, as well as the author of 75 Hard, is they don't look at losing the same as people who are failing at this industry. Taking a trade that technically had a monetary loss is not necessarily a loss. It is the big picture, right? We're looking at the big picture. It's a lesson. Did you follow your rules? Did you learn? Because if you learned something, it is a very, very, very awesome situation you just got to go through if you choose to look at that. If you choose to stop looking at the exact in, exact out, that's not going to work. Long term, it will fail you 9 times out of 10, particularly in this industry. It's not encompassing enough of the big picture of trading, investing, and that goes for cryptos and stocks and dollar cost averaging and buying launches and the whole 9 in between, all of it.